Embark on an extraordinary off-the-beaten-path walking trip and sightseeing tour of Bangkok, immersing yourself in the city's captivating culture and hidden treasures. Begin your adventure by venturing into the historic neighborhood of Bangkok, where the iconic Jim Thompson House awaits. Step into the world of this legendary American entrepreneur and art collector, surrounded by lush gardens and traditional Thai architecture. Marvel at the exquisite silk collection and learn about Thompson's mysterious disappearance, adding a touch of intrigue to your visit. Head towards Chatuchak, a vibrant neighborhood known for its sprawling weekend market. Navigate through a labyrinth of stalls brimming with unique handicrafts, clothing, and antiques. Engage in the art of bargaining as you hunt for hidden treasures and indulge in delectable street food offerings that will ignite your taste buds. Continue your expedition at the atmospheric neighborhood of Thonburi, a lesser-known district brimming with local charm. Stroll along the meandering canals, lined with traditional wooden houses and colorful boats. Venturing deeper into the heart of Thonburi, you come across Wat Arun, the Temple of Dawn. Marvel at its intricate architecture and ascend to the highest point, where a breathtaking panorama of the Chao Phraya River awaits. Take a moment to soak in the serene beauty of the surroundings, as the bustling city seems distant yet inviting. Make your way to Phra Nakhon, the historic district of Bangkok. Marvel at the grandeur of the iconic Grand Palace, adorned with intricate architecture and golden spires. Lose yourself in the tranquility of Wat Pho, home to the majestic reclining Buddha, and indulge in a traditional Thai massage to rejuvenate your senses. As you bid farewell to this unforgettable day off the beaten path in Bangkok, you'll carry with you the memories of exploring enchanting hidden gems, encountering vibrant markets, and immersing yourself in the rich tapestry of Thai culture. This offbeat adventure will leave you with a newfound appreciation for the city's lesser-known treasures.